Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I'm going to harvest these carrots. I have 3 pots. As you can see, these carrots here is already ready to be harvested, and some of it you can see they're small because when I planted these carrots, this big one, I planted around maybe 6, and then some of it died, so I planted another seeds, and this one is small. So although some of it are small, I'm going to harvest it, and then maybe next month I'm going to plant another carrots. I planted it using seeds, so I have a lot of seeds, so I'm going to use that seed to plant more carrots. Maybe late January. It's winter here, so I think late January would be a good time to plant carrots. So now I'm going to show you the way I harvest it. I just need to pull this one. So let's start with this one. So I have these carrots, good size. The one next to it is small one, but that's good. Baby carrots is good, you know, you just wash it, and then once it's good, and you can eat it right away, or you can peel it. Have this one. It's really easy to pull it. Uh-oh, wow. Look at these carrots. This is kind of funny looking. One, but look. Good size. Sometimes also it's getting really cold here at night, so I'm just gonna reuse this soil and then maybe add more soil here, um, and then start planting new carrots in a month or so. I think this one here, there's like a hole. So I don't know why there's a lot of fruits in here, so I think that's it. I will show you my harvest. I have tons of little ones in here. Yeah, I write some what they call that one, the date I planted it, but as you can see, it get erased. And the funny looking. So this is my harvest. I think it's a good harvest. So guys, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Maybe in a few months I am going to harvest my potato. I planted 3 seed potato right now, and it looks like they're doing good. So hopefully it will grow because it's winter right now, and this is actually I said in my previous video that it was an experiment, but actually this is my second time. And although the last one I planted it during winter, it actually gave me a yield, not a good one, but it's decent. Okay guys, see you next time, and I hope you enjoy watching me harvesting carrots. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.